Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, The Hot Years. My name is Rochelle and I'm glad you found me. And right now I would like to invite you to please go ahead and subscribe if you would like to. And please like my channel. And you can also share it if you know someone that would be interested in it. So before we get started here, I just want to give you a little background, and I threw in some pretty things here so she has something pretty to look at besides this bag, which I'll go over in a minute. And my channel is named The Hot Years basically because it is about a few things and a few different things. It's about basically it's for mature women. I'm 58 years old. I'm postmenopausal. And I want to share things that help me get through that, since we all know it is a nightmare. Okay. And things that help me do that are, you know, a hobby that I'm passionate about and that takes my mind off of things, and some other things that help me, which is from my background. I am a licensed cosmetologist for many years, worked for many skincare and cosmetic companies over the years, so I really know, you know what I'm talking about, what works for me. I'm not suggesting you use them, buy them, try them, but I'm just sharing what works for me, and hopefully it might work for you. So it's basically about, you know, skincare products. It's going to be cosmetic products, and how to maintain, you know, a little bit of let's say hotness in a good way in your hot menopausal years. So that's what my channel is going to be about, and it's going to include a hobby of mine, which is beading. I've been beading and making jewelry since the 90s, and it just helps take my mind off of things, especially this past year or so. So I'm sure this is really coming in handy. So enough of that. Let's get into what I want to talk about today. And I'm going to remove these. I made these, but these beads are not from what I want to talk about. Let's just put these out so you have something pretty to look at while I'm talking. So let's move those out of the way. And this is a subscription box that I get. It's from the Bargain Bead Box. Okay. And I'm sure you can find them, or I'll put links. You can find them, you know, on the internet, bargainbeadbox.com. It is a monthly subscription. It is $17.95, something like that. So let's go over what they have. First of all, I want to say I just love, I've never had a bead subscription box before. And I'm really enjoying this one, although I will tell you, I have not had any time to actually do them. They don't come with a pattern, okay? So you have to really be creative and, you know, make it on your own. Or you can look for ideas on the internet, I guess. But that's why I haven't had time to actually do any of this. I have like 4 other ones sitting here in back of the camera that you can't see that I haven't been able to get to. So, but I just love them, and I love the quality. They have awesome quality. So I enjoy getting these every month. I really look forward to it. Brightens my day. So let's see here. Let's see what we got. We got a bunch of goodies. If you're a beader, you'll know what I'm talking about. And every month it's color coded with a different, you know, color. This is their December box. So, and it's called Silent Night. Okay. So and you get this sheet here that tells you, I'm not going to be able to get this all in. It tells you all about it. And on the back, it will tell you, it coordinates every number. Where are you? There you are. Hello. It coordinates every number. It tells you what number, what's in the bag to the number. Okay. So let's get on with this. And it also tells you a little bit about the box, which I'll read really quickly. It says, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from our family to yours. This month's palette features a serene blend of blue and silver with a hint of festive sparkle. And I love some sparkle. So highlights include a lapis pendant, a faceted rondelle, sparkling blue goldstone, electroplated agate, English cut sesame, Jasper, and bright crystal accents, silver snowflakes, findings, and a crescent focal complete. It completes the package. Okay. I don't have my glasses on. Anyway, and in here, you will receive a 30% off your order at their sister store, which is the Bead Box Bargains. And I purchased a ton of stuff from there already, and the quality is just is awesome. You won't be disappointed. So you can go that, and they also have a contest. Show us what you make with your shipment, and you'll be entered to win a $25 gift certificate to the Bead Box Bargain Store. Okay, and it tells you how to take a photo and where to send it to. Okay, so let's get started. See what we got. Number one. Oh, let me find it. It would be nice if I had them all out, right? Oh my goodness, sometimes I'm such a ding dong. Let's see, where are you, number one? Well, this is like playing a little game here. Number one, where are you? Oh my gosh, do you see number one? Here it is, hello. Okay, so this is number one. And this is basically an antique silver chain. Okay, it's a 4mm chain. So look at that. Oops. So that's really nice. And I'll set that right on top of the bag and put that in when I'm done. Okay, number two. Wouldn't it be nice if I lined them up? Jeez. I am still new at doing these videos. Okay, so number two, whoops, is a snowflake charm. Antique silver. And you get 6 of these. So these are really cute. And this is great because I want to start making some charm necklace bracelets. So I set it down. You can probably see it a little bit better. Here. These are really cute. So we got that. And number three. Number three is, again, more snowflake charms. It's a 4-piece. So these are a little bit bigger. Okay. There. So, and number 4, these are pretty. Crystal hexagon beads, slate blue iris. Ooh. Look at that. Isn't that great? Look at the quality. I cannot wait to use these. Just gorgeous. And again, the monthly subscription is I think it's $17.95, something like that. What am I on, number 5? Where are you? Oh my goodness. There we go. I can't believe I'm doing this. And I didn't line them up. Okay. So this is probably a number 5. A swirled toggle clasp. And an antique silver. You can never have enough toggle clasp. So those are cute. Where to put my little bag? Oh my gosh. Drive ourselves crazy. Okay. 6, where are you? Now is this 6 or is this 6? Let's find out. Focal antique. Okay, so it's got to be this one. Look at this. So this is a crescent chandelier. Wow. This is going to make an interesting necklace. Look at that. How cool is that? Wow. That's cool. Okay, 7. Where are you, 7? Here we are. And 7 is crescent chandelier components. So I guess these can use for earrings. My fingers don't like to work anymore. How pretty they are. Pretty cool. And the quality is just so nice. I just love their stuff. Okay. Let's see, number 8. Where's number 8? Oh, that's 10. Here it is. Oh boy. I'm going to line these up next time. Number 8. These look really cool. These are frosted matte Sesame Jasper round beads. These are 8 mil. Wow. These are cool. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, number 9. These are some of my favorite beads. The crystal rondelle. Crystal rondelle beads in light sapphire, half silver. And now we're going to have some sparkle here. Look at that. I just love these. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. I'm telling you, you got to get yourself some. Love those. Number 10. Gosh, this is terrible. Now I'm trying to number them up. Number 10 is blue Goldstone round beads. These are man-made and they're 6 mil. Oh wow. Don't know if you can see this, but they have these sparkles in it. It's like very fine glitter, something sparkly in there. Wow, this is just amazing. Wow, that's really cool. They all have some nice weight to it, so I'll put that there. 11. There we go. Should have done that from the beginning. 11. Lapis lazuli. I don't know how you pronounce it. Faceted Hexagon Pendant with brass bail. This is going to be beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I really got to start making something with these. It's 12. Where's 12? Here we go. 12 is electroplated agate beads, matte blue iris. Well, these look really interesting. Look at that. And 13. So 13 is, these are 8 mil star spacers. So that's what they look like. These are really pretty. And 14. So 14 is, these are cute. These are pressed glass star beads in crystal clear AB. So, and they got the hole going down the middle there. So these are really pretty. And 15. 15 is fancy spacer beads. That's what they are. These definitely have some weight to them. They're nice. 16. 16 is Hematite Snowflake beads, blue iris. Look at that. It's really pretty. 17. This is one of my favorites. 17 is a 4 mil bicone, which I use in a lot of things I make. There you go, 4 mil bicone is silver. I love the way a bicone sparkles. Okay. 18. These are just brass head pins with a ball and silver finish. These are more of a fine head pin. Now, I don't have many head pins, so I can certainly use them. And let's see, 19. This is English cut faceted round Sesame Jasper beads. Didn't I say that before with something else? I think I did. 19. English cut. So there you go. These are interesting. Okay. 20. So 20 is some more little spacers here. It's like a star bead cap. And there's 50 of them in here. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. These are cute. Whoops, come on, get over. These are cute. And here we go. These are 3x2 mil finely faceted lapis rondelle beads. I don't have much 3 mil, and I use that for a certain bracelet I make, so I can certainly use a 3 mil. These are gorgeous. Just so nice. So there you go. That is everything. And again, it is the Bargain Bead Box, and that's a monthly subscription. So check it out. I'll put a link for you. And that is it. I have more bead box subscriptions to show you. And I'm going to put these back away. And leave your comments below if you have any comments or anything else you would like to see me do. And please subscribe to my channel, The Hot Years. And we will have a lot of fun together. Thanks a lot for taking the time to view my video. And have a great day. Bye-bye.